Have you ever wondered what OSNIT analysis is in hacking? Well, let's unravel this mystery. OSNIT is an acronym that stands for Open Source Network Intelligence Tools. Now, that sounds like quite a mouthful, doesn't it? But don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. Essentially, it is a collection of tools that hackers and cybersecurity professionals use to gather information. But where do they gather this information from? The answer is quite simple: the vast infinite world of the internet. These tools help in extracting, organizing, and interpreting data from various online sources, providing valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities and threats. This information is crucial in both offensive and defensive cybersecurity strategies, making OSNIT analysis an indispensable part of the hacking toolkit. Now that you know what OSNIT analysis is, let's delve into how to run its commands in Kali Linux. Running OSNIT analysis commands in Kali Linux might seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's delve into it together. First off, we need to access the terminal in Kali Linux. This is the gateway to run all our commands. Click on the terminal icon in the menu bar or press Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard. Voila! The terminal is now open and ready to take commands. Now, before we start inputting commands, let's ensure that our OSNIT tools are installed and ready to use. To do this, type OSNIT version into the terminal. If the OSNIT tools are installed, the terminal will display the version number. If not, we'll need to install them. Installing the OSNIT tools is as easy as pie. To do this, type sudo apt-get install OSNIT and press enter. You might be asked to enter your password since we're using the sudo command. Once you've entered your password, the terminal will start the installation process. It may take a couple of minutes, but patience is a virtue when dealing with technology. Once the installation is complete, let's test out a basic command. For instance, to extract the metadata from a target web page, you can use the OSNIT extract command followed by the web page's URL. So if we wanted to extract metadata from BP Coding's web page, we type OSNIT extract www.bpcoding.com. Press enter and watch as OSNIT does its magic, displaying all the metadata it can extract from the web page. And there you have it. That's the first part of running OSNIT analysis commands in Kali Linux. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and there are many more commands and functionalities to explore. But don't worry, we'll get into those in the next steps. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the world of OSNIT analysis? Let's move on to the next steps. You're doing great. Now let's continue with the next steps of running OSNIT analysis commands. Delving deeper, we will explore some advanced commands that can be implemented in Kali Linux to execute an OSNIT analysis. Remember, each command holds a unique function, and it's vital to understand what each one does. Let's start with the nmap command. This is used to identify active hosts on a network. When you run this command, you're asking your system to scan the network and identify any active devices. The output will provide you with a list of IP addresses of all active devices. This is a crucial first step in any OSNIT analysis. Next, we have the whois command. This command is used to obtain domain or IP information. When you use whois, you're asking your system to fetch all available information about a certain domain or IP. This could include details such as the domain owner, their contact information, and when the domain was registered. Lastly, let's talk about the dig command. This command is used for querying DNS name servers for information about host addresses, mail exchanges, name servers, and related information. This can be particularly useful when you need to find out more about a specific domain. Now, interpreting the output of each command is equally important. For instance, the nmap command's output provides you with a map of the network. You can see which devices are active and get an idea of the network layout. The whois command's output gives you a detailed report about the domain or IP you queried. This information can be helpful in understanding who might be behind a certain domain or IP. And the dig command's output provides you with DNS information related to a specific domain, which can be crucial in uncovering more details about the domain's history and related activities. And that's how you run OSNIT analysis commands in Kali Linux. But why is it important? Let's find out. Why is OSNIT analysis important in hacking and cybersecurity? You might have asked yourself this question. The answer is simple yet profound. OSNIT analysis is a valuable asset in gathering intelligence about potential targets. It allows you to explore the digital footprint of an entity across the vast, uncharted wilderness of the internet. From social media activity to public data available online, OSNIT analysis helps to piece together a comprehensive profile of your target. But its utility doesn't end there. OSNIT analysis is equally potent in detecting vulnerabilities. It can identify weak spots in systems, which is essential for preventing cyber attacks. It's like having an invisible shield that guards against potential threats. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, these tools are not just handy, they are indispensable. They help maintain a secure network, ensuring the safety of precious data and infrastructure. As you can see, OSNIT analysis is a crucial tool for any cybersecurity enthusiast. That's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this video useful. We've explored quite a bit in our time together. We've delved into the fascinating world of OSNIT analysis, a powerful tool in the realm of cybersecurity. It's more than just a tool, it's a weapon for those who understand its workings. We've also learned how to wield this weapon in the environment of Kali Linux, running commands and engaging with the system. The significance of OSNIT analysis cannot be understated in today's digital age where cybersecurity is a priority. If you've enjoyed journeying into the depths of OSNIT analysis with us, consider subscribing to the BP Coding YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description below. This video was brought to you by Bibash Sharma, the Program Director of BP Coding. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.